Hi, this is Jason again with PTCI. We're going to show you in the SmartHub app the My Profile tab. Now, in the My Profile tab, when you first open it up, you're going to see your login email address that is hooked to this account. Right here is where you can click to update, and you can actually change that. Also, just below that, it's got a place where you can change your password as well, and also checks your password strength as well. You can also manage all of your registered accounts. If you have more than one, you can go here. You can actually add an account here as well. The next tab, update my billing address and contact information. So if you stayed in our area but have changed your location, you can come in here, change that information, your address, any other phone numbers that change. Manage your stored payment accounts. So if you've got a credit card that has just expired and been replaced, you can come here to change that out. Or if you change from one bank to another, you can put that information in here. You can also update your security phrase. You can also update your secret hint question. And you can set up several of those if you would like. And you can also update your paperless settings. If you receive your bill paperless, if you haven't been receiving it paperless and you would like to start to, you can do it here in the My Profile tab of SmartHub.